Okay, welcome back once again. This is Vincent, your instructor. Uh, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download your fonts. Okay, on how you can download your fonts and install them in your Pixel Lab. Okay, so pay attention and follow through the steps that I'll be doing so that you don't miss the steps. Okay, pay attention. First of all, hope you can see this point. Okay, the white point, which is in front of the screen here. So make sure that you follow this pointer. Okay, so let us begin. For this one, you need to have the Z Achiever. Okay, the Z Achiever is the application that installs fonts. Okay, without this Z Achiever, you cannot install any fonts. Okay, so you need Z Achiever. So you can get it on Google Play. Yeah, you can get it on Google Play. You just need to go there and search for Z Achiever. Okay, Z then Achiever. So you search for it. So I'll be a bit quick so that we wind up. You know how your interface for your Google Play blinks or Play Store. Yeah, you need to come on Play Store. When you come here on Play Store, you look for a search pattern here. Okay, you go there, you place there, then the keyboard will show up, and then you type Z, and then you just write Achiever. For me here, it's already there. Okay, you can see it, Z Achiever. You know the word Achiever. So it's ARCOH, then IVR. Okay, then you type search. Yeah, so don't go on the first tab here, which comes first. Go on the green one. Okay, so it's the green one. For me, it's already installed. So once it pops up, you just need to click install here. Remember, it's the green one. You just place install. As for me, it's already there. Okay, so from here, it's where you can install your fonts, all your fonts that you've downloaded. Okay, so you need Z Achiever in order to install your fonts into your Pixel Lab. So for example, let us download one font so that follow through the process. Okay, so you can use Google. Yeah, you go on Google there. Yeah, you can either type font or download fonts. You just need to type download fonts, download free fonts. Okay, free fonts. Then you go on the go there. You wait for it to show up. Okay, so here are the websites. So all these are the websites from where you can download all your fonts that you want. There are a lot of websites. You download free fonts. So the best website to download fonts, which I love mostly, it's the first one. Font. It's written the font. You can search for it directly as the font, as you can see. It's a font. So let's try there. This one has got a group of fonts of typeface for all types of fonts, movie fonts, cartoon fonts, Christmas fonts, all fonts that you can think of. Okay, so here the fonts, as you can see. Okay, so here you have fancy fonts, cartoon fonts, comic fonts, groovy, that is old school, Kerry, Western, eroded, distorted, horror fonts, fire eyes, decorative, all types of fonts. You can find them on the fonts. Okay, so this is why this website, the font, is the best website to downloading your fonts. Okay, so these are the fonts here. Okay, these are the fonts. Star Walker. Okay, so let us. So if you want to choose the category you want, you can just come on these where they are red shade here. Okay, you can see these ones. In each typeface here, there are fonts in there. Okay. Gothic, medieval, okay, basic fonts, sans serif fonts, serif, fixed width, various script fonts. Okay, so these are script fonts. Okay, you can get either one of them here. So there are different types of fonts here. So let us try and choose which one. Sci-fi. Let us try sci-fi fonts. So you place there, then your fonts will load here. Okay, under sci-fi fonts. So all these are sci-fi fonts. Okay, so which one can we pick? Okay, let's try dream here. This one, dream here. So when you want to download, you come at the far end here on the light. Okay, you come on at the far end here on the light. That's where you see the downloading button here. Okay, this is the downloading button. You place there, and it will bring this. Then you click download there. Sure, it's downloading. Okay, so you can see these fonts, also the type of fonts that are found in spots. These ones. Is it downloading or what? Let's try that again. So each time you download a font and it's in zip form, okay, that's where you need to unpack it in a Z-Archive. Okay, so I don't know if this font has downloaded. Let me do this. So if here it happens not to be downloading, you can come on these buttons here. On this button here, you click there so that you can say open in browser here. You click there and it will take you to your browser if it's okay. So okay, let's try downloading StarJade here. This one. Okay, so let's try and download that. Okay, downloading. The network is a bit slow. Okay, so it's done downloading. It has been downloaded. So the next step, you need to go to in ZAchiever. You allocate the app. ZAchiever, you go there. Then you find where the download that you've downloaded has been dropped into. So you come in downloads. You come in downloads. So remember the name of the font. It was StarJade. So you need to look for it. Where is StarJade? So you need to come where the S's are. Okay, so this is StarJade. Okay, yeah, this one. So when you locate the file that you've downloaded, you click there. Then when you see these options, okay, wait. So before you click that, you need to come on this plus icon here. You say, okay, so this one is already installed. It has already been compressed. Okay. So there are other files that will be coming in zip form. Okay, like okay, let's try to compress it. No, not compressing. Okay, so the next step is before you come here, you need to go in PixelLab. That one seems to have been already unpacked. All you need to do is go to PixelLab and add PixelLab. So how you add fonts into PixelLab is you come on fonts. Okay, you come on fonts. So you come on fonts. You bring in any font here, then you know where the fonts from here. Okay, from here you come to fonts. Okay, so when you come here, you come to fonts here in the middle. Then this one, you come where it's written T here on this file button or icon. You then it will take you to your font gallery. From there you see where your fonts are. So you need to come on the phone device or phone storage. Techno, so it's Techno. So you click there, you wait for it. Okay, so you go in downloads. In downloads, you locate where the name of the file for the fonts you download. Remember the name, you search for it. Okay, sorry, we didn't unzip the file. We need to unzip it. Okay, sorry about that. So I thought it was already unzipped. So you come here, the achiever, you allocate where your file is. Okay, now I see. So this is the zip. Okay, so this is the zip. So the next step that we need to do is we need to unzip it. So what we do is okay, so when you place on the zip file here, you place like that. You just click one click like that. When you click there, it will give you these options. Okay, so under these options, the second option here, extract here, don't extract here. Make sure that you have the folder for the fonts specifically. Okay, so you need to extract in the folder where you put all your fonts. Okay, so don't extract here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to come on this option here, extract. So when you place there, you will notice this sign here, this arrow pointing down. So this one means select a file folder where you need to extract the font or the zip file into. Okay, so you go back. For as long as it is still showing this arrow, it means you need to select a folder where you need to allocate your fonts or to extract your fonts. So here are my fonts. Okay, so fonts. So I'll click there, then I'll come on this button. Okay, you click there, and then it will be extracting. Once it's done, that's it. Those fonts have been added. Now you can go back to Pixel App and do what we did, okay, to add the font. So yeah, here you come on the fonts, my fonts, then you come on this file, okay, you click there, you come here on this board, and then you select font there, font storage there, and then you allocate where you've put your fonts in the font folders. So this is where I have put that font type. So you need to be selecting these types of files, okay? So you select there like that, the text has been added, or the font has been added. Again, you can select multiple fonts like that, okay? You select, then you click here and select, then your fonts would have been added. Again, you click back and go in another typeface here. You click there, make sure that you know all the typefaces, which are the zippers unpacked. Remember, in each zip file, there are typefaces, okay? There are different types of fonts there. So you need to install them all, add them all into your Pixel app. Like that, you select, it has been added. You go back and then you select. So okay, so you now search for the font that you've downloaded. It is called Starged. Okay, so this is the font that we've downloaded. Okay, so that's how you add your fonts, like that. So yeah, so that's it. Anytime you want to install you want to add your fonts into your Pixel app, make sure that you first extract your zip file in the Z-Archive app. After extracting, make sure that you select the folder where you extract your fonts into. From there, when you're done extracting into that folder that you've selected or made, you need to come back to Pixel app, then add from there. Make sure that you pay attention to the steps that we've been doing so that you don't miss a point. Okay, so thanks once again for watching. It has been a pleasure having you.